Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can change background from any image keeping the subject intact like this. And to achieve this we're going to use a free to use AI tool called ComfyUI. So let's dive right into it. So firstly I want you guys to open up your ComfyUI workspace like this. If you haven't installed ComfyUI, I have a tutorial linked in the description down below. So first I want you guys to come over here to ComfyUI Manager, and I want you to install two different packages. So you're gonna go to install custom nodes, and firstly I want you to search for Allor, ALLOR, and I have already installed this plugin, but you should see a install button right over here. Just click that and it should install itself. The second plugin I want you to install is called WAS Node Suite. So once again I have already installed this, but you should have an install button like this. So just click on that button and it will install fairly quickly. Once you have installed both of these plugins, I want you to go to close, and I want you to restart your ComfyUI workspace. So you can just click refresh over here, or you can go back to Pinocchio and stop it and then restart your ComfyUI server. So once you have installed both of these plugins, you should be able to see those nodes in your ComfyUI workspace. So let's quickly right click on add node, and you should be able to see WS suite over here. So we're gonna go to image, AI, and remove background. So we're gonna use this node to separate the background from our character in the image. So let's quickly do that. So first let's load up an image real quick. So we're gonna use load image checkpoint. So I have loaded this image real quick, and firstly let's see how you can remove background from this image. So how you can separate the subject from the background. So I want you guys to double click and search for REMBG, remove background. So we're gonna use this node over here. So simply plug this image node into this remove background one, and then we're gonna use a preview image. So whatever the output will be, it will be displayed over here. So let's quickly click on Q prompt over here and see the results. So as you can see over here, it has removed the background from the image. So it has separated the subject. Now what we want to do is we want to take everything except for the subject, like everything around the subject, and we want to apply a random image, whatever we desire, to the background. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna select everything except for the subject, like all the background part, which is the mask, and we're gonna set it as an alpha, and then we're gonna feed it to ComfyUI to draw a background on. So I want you guys to take this node, and I want you guys to search for alpha channel as mask. So this is gonna take everything except the subject, and we're gonna paint on it. So I want you guys to search for VAE encode for inpaint next. So click on this one, and we're gonna feed this to ComfyUI to draw on. So it's gonna be everything except the subject. Let's quickly make a simple ComfyUI workflow to generate any sort of image. So firstly we need a checkpoint. So we're gonna use load checkpoint node over here. Then we need to add our positive and negative prompts to draw the background on. So we're gonna search for clip text encode. We're gonna need two of these, one for positive, one for negative. So two over here. Next up we want a K-sampler. So let's search for K-sampler real quick. Then we need a VAE decoder to decode the image. Let's search for VAE decoder. Lastly, to preview the result, we are gonna want a preview image node over here. So let's search for that preview image. Now let's connect these nodes real quick. So model is gonna go to K-sampler model, VAE is gonna go to the VAE decode. We're gonna attach positive and negative text prompts to clip, and then we're gonna add those to positive and negative nodes of the K-sampler. We're gonna pass this to VAE decoder over here. Now if you remember, this is everything except the subject over here. So we're gonna pass this canvas to K-sampler to paint on. So it's gonna be the background, and we can paint any sort of background we want using this. We also need to connect the VAE over here, and lastly we need to connect this image to pixels over here. Okay, so now our workflow is totally ready, and in the positive text prompt field over here we can add anything we want. So I want to draw a background of a field. Let's enter landscape, grass, clouds. Let's add our negative prompts over here real quick. Okay, so you can choose any checkpoint you want. it really depends upon your preference, but I'm gonna use a realistic vision over here. So let's go with that, and let's click on Q prompt real quick and see the. So there you have it. As you can see, we have changed the background, and as you can see, the subject, which is me, is perfectly intact over here, but the background has been changed. So we're gonna do one more image real quick. So I have brought in an image of Mona Lisa over here, and we're gonna place Mona Lisa in a futuristic cyberpunk city. So let's do that. So here I've added cyberpunk city in the positive prompts, and let's quickly click on Q prompt. So as you can see, it has separated Mona Lisa from the background in a really good way, and we're gonna wait for the results, and let's see what results we get. So as you can see over here, we have placed Mona Lisa in a really cool futuristic cyberpunk city. So of course different checkpoints are gonna give you different results, so you can try different checkpoints over here, and you can expect different results with those, of course. So that was it for this video. I hope you got some value from this, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.